What's up, YouTube? It's your girl TyraRenee, and I'm back with another video. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out. Today, as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be filming this look right here, which is a natural everyday how to look good with minimal makeup. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so don't come for me in the comments. That's first off. First things first. Act up, you can get snatched up quick. Period. I'm about to find out! I'm just playing, let me stop. Okay, but for real, don't come for me. I know I look hurt. I got my cornrows under here. Don't come for me. Alright, so the first thing you want to do after you've moisturized and all of that good stuff, you have a good base set. You want to finish off your base by going in with a little bit of primer and just some of the areas where you need to blur out some things and where you're going to be applying some of your makeup. Okay, so once you moisturized your face and done your primer, the next step is to do your eyebrows. Now y'all, don't do that. Do not be looking like that. I know they look bad, but I was trying a new technique and it did not go right, so I ended up having to do my eyebrows off camera. I apologize, y'all. Alright, so brows are on. That took a lot more than what it should have. I know better next time. So I'm going to take my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to take my damp Real Technique sponge, dip it in like that, blow off the excess, and then pat this into my eye. But first you want to blend out any creasing, like it's starting to crease up a little bit. You want to blend that out first and then set it. And I'm just going to keep my eyes shut so that it doesn't over crease. I'm going to take a fluffy shadow brush and lightly dust powder closer to my eyebrow. And I like to lift it up a little bit so I can be more precise. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Now that that's done, we're going to go to the next step, which is concealer underneath the eyes. Usually I take it all the way down, but today, since we're just doing a no makeup, a natural looking face with minimal makeup, we're just gonna go right underneath the eye. I'm also gonna take my LA Girl, which is a little darker, more neutral shade. I'm gonna take that on the edges to help give it like more of a gradient blend effect into my skin, since the Born This Way concealer is like a more orangey look. I want to make it balanced. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not a lot. It's not a lot of makeup, trust me. So we're gonna let this dry down a little bit. So while you're doing this, if you're running late, you can just hurry up and go run and do some other things and then come back and then proceed. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my chin. So this next technique is very important when doing foundation-free makeup. You want to make sure you're blending really well, and you want to blend out your harsh edges. Harsh edges. So taking the booty part of my beauty blender, bounce it like this on the outer parts of your concealer, and I'm just going to, it's productless, so it's just gonna diffuse the rest of the product that you have that's left over to make it look more like skin. How's life, guys? Like, I kind of want to do a get to know me tag, because I don't feel like I talk enough in my videos, because sometimes I feel like I over talk and it makes it harder to edit, if that makes sense. So then I have to keep more in the video than needed, and I know a lot of people aren't familiar with me since I'm new, so a lot of people probably don't want to hear what I'm talking about in my videos. When they're first checking me out, they probably just want to see whatever it is that they clicked on the video to see. So yeah, like, I really want to get to know my subscribers though, and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway as a thank you for helping me to surpass the 100 mark for subscribers. I'm super excited about that. And that just lets me know that, you know, I do have supporters, people that believe in me, that are willing to, you know, go ahead and subscribe and tune into my stuff to see what I'm doing. So that makes me happy, because YouTube is not easy, or being an influencer or attempting to become one is not easy. It's a lot of pressure. You have a lot of doubts that it can bring on you, and like, do people like my content? Then you see other people's stuff and you start like comparing yourself and your content, that affects what you wanted to do in the first place because you're worried about everybody else. And I know people like, I'm not worried about nobody but myself. It's not true. We're all like impacted by other people and the influence of other people. Like, everybody's an influencer, whether you know it or not. All right, so right here, you want to pat out any creasing, and this is an important part to make it look like you're not wearing makeup, just fresh faced. You want to go in, blow it off, get the least amount possible, and you want to press it in with a damp sponge. You see, it gives it like a fresh airbrush look. Keep it in my chin and around my mouth as well. And pounce it, guys. Pounce it. Don't drag it. Pounce it. What I just did was, I like when my concealer and stuff overlaps onto my lip while I'm doing my makeup, because when I go on with the white, I'm very accurate when I go in and wipe it off, and it just gives like a cute, it just makes my lips stand out a lot more. So I love that, especially for this look. So it's coming together. My eyebrows had me a little shook, but now we just want to blend everything to make it look like skin. So I'm going to take my Expert Blending Face Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to blend everything out. I love this brush. It's like one of my favorite makeup brushes. It just makes everything blend so seamlessly. Like, it really makes it flow. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to bronze up using, I know this look crazy, I just needed it like up and off my forehead. I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Foundation Powder in the shade Black Coffee. I love this bronzer. I used to use this as a foundation in one of their other dark shades. It's the darkest shade that they have. I used to use that as my foundation, but I've lightened up over the years, so I don't use it as foundation anymore. But it used to give me like a really pretty matte airbrush finish, and I would get compliments even from guys like on my face. So it's a really good brand. You can find it at Walmart and all that good stuff. I'm gonna take it on my forehead. Right here, I like to go in this direction because it kind of like creates a halo effect of your concealer and really just makes the center of your forehead in particular just look highlighted alone. And I go like in a C shape over here and take the last little bit that I have down here and just brush it down. Okay, and then we're gonna take our Expert face brush and just blend any lines to get it just to look seamless. Okay, so now we're just going to do a slight natural contouring up the nose, and we're going to drag it up from here into our eyebrow to make it look deep right here, like real, like it always does. But when you put concealer on, it just gets rid of any lines that you naturally have. So I'm just going to use the same powder, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush that I got from a kit from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go in and clean up around my nose so that it looks more natural, I guess, because when you put concealer on it, it just gets all over the place. So this is like how I clean it up, and I kind of come in at an angle like this, and I take it up like that into my eyebrow, and I bring it down like that. So that's how I do it, and then I just pull it down like this to blend it out. Alright, so for the next step, because you took all the color out of your face with the concealer, you want to go in and add some more color. So what I'm going to do is take my blushes. I use two blushes. If you watch my videos before, it's never changed. It's still the same. I use Black Radiance. This is in a color Warm Berry. It's a baked blush. It's really pretty. I like it. And this gives my cheeks like a really cute, biteable look, because it looks so pretty and cute. I'm just kidding, that's weird. But it gives them a real cute, like, fleshy look, I guess. Because when you just have flat out brown from the concealer and foundation, you just be looking colorless. So I like to use my Real Techniques blush brush to just lightly flick it. And see, it's really pigmented, but we're gonna blend that out. I just love this combo with their with that bronzer. It's so pretty. And then the little bit that I have left, I like dust it on my chin and my nose to just, like I said, add some color. And then we're gonna blend that out. Basically, after every step, the key to like skin like skin is to basically just keep blending between each step. Just blend, 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 blend. I'm going to use my favorite blush of all time. This is the Sleep Makeup blush in the shade Sunrise. It is so pretty. It's like a rose gold blush. So on days like this is the very important step as well, because I don't like to use highlighter on days like this because I want to look natural. I just take a little bit of this and put on the highest part of my cheekbone, like you with your highlighter. I flick it like that, and I curve it up kind of into my eyelid. I do a little bit on my nose. I like to do it on my forehead, but you want to be light with it because it does have pigment still. It has the pink. Okay. So then after that, I'm going to do, I was debating, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna do like a slight inner corner highlight just to make my eyes look a little bit more awake. But I'm just gonna use a little bit because it can make you awake or sleepy looking, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna take, this is like a brown color. It's really subtle. I don't want anything gold or too light because my highlight isn't that light either. So you just want something neutral. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to do my contour and just kind of like blend that in. Okay, so now this is my favorite step because it just makes everything come together. I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this stuff, and just mist it all over my face. And just the sound of it is therapeutic. I love this stuff. And this is another important step. To make all my makeup blend out, I take the bottom of my Real Techniques sponge and I gently pat the makeup into my skin and the setting powder into my makeup. And now it just gives it such a skin-like finish. Okay, and we all know how important eyelashes are. They really enhance our eyes and make them look more open. So on my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with my Lash Power Mascara. And I'm just gonna pop that on the bottom lash. I like to go up like this and look down. And that keeps me from getting mascara on my face. So for this look, you can either use like some false lashes or you could opt out of lashes altogether. But because I have a couple of eyelashes left on me, I need to put something on it to cover it up. So I'm just trying to figure out if I'm gonna use these. I got these from Marshall's. They're really cute, natural looking lashes. I think I am gonna use these today. Alright y'all, so this is what the lashes look like. I'm not sure if I like them yet. I might change them. But yeah. I like my hair. Anyway, I'm finna go do my hair and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so now that my hair is done, my eyelashes are on, and I'm looking like Shaka Khan, I'm gonna go ahead and do some lip gloss because you can't have a popping face without popping lip gloss, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Snow Day. I don't like how dark it is. I feel like y'all can't see my face. Okay y'all, so there's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know how I did with the little chit chat. I don't know. But I feel like I need to start talking to you guys more so you can get like an idea of my personality. I should have ate before I filmed it so I have more energy because I'm very energetic. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below saying it was good, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.